An easy recipe for preparing avocado and tomatoes salad for dinner. Our Farm's Kitchen presents 2 ripe avocados, diced. 2 medium tomatoes, diced. 1 small red onion, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro leaves, chopped. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine the diced avocados, tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the avocado and tomato mixture. Gently toss to coat all the ingredients evenly. Let the salad sit for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve the avocado and tomato salad as a side dish or on top of a bed of greens. Now, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of this salad. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a good source of fiber, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins. Tomato. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. They are also an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Red onion. Red onions are low in calories and a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They also contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. Cilantro. Cilantro is a herb that adds a fresh and zesty flavor to the salad. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and promote healthy digestion. Lime juice. Lime juice is rich in vitamin C and adds a tangy flavor to the salad. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system and is also involved in collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that contains monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It can help reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart disease, and improve cholesterol levels. Overall, this avocado and tomato salad provides a combination of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious and delicious addition to your dinner. Thank you for choosing our channel to watch. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching more videos from our media productions.